Okay, finally, time for a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do Circus Baby from Five Nights at Freddy's sister location. So, as you can see, I just got my cosplay on. And now I'm gonna start with the Mayron Cream Blend Stick. I can't talk sometimes. So, I'm probably gonna get comments from makeup gurus about how I'm doing this wrong. So please give me some valid criticism on how to put this makeup on correctly, because I think there's a certain way to do it, but this is how I do it. I just smear it all over my face and blend it out with my fingers. Just, if you're going to leave me some criticism, please be kind to me. I have no idea how to do this face paint correctly. Oh, I forgot my mirror. Okay, I'm gonna just put this all over my face, and then I'll get my mirror. Of course, I'm gonna do my neck, at least off camera. So off camera, everything has been blended out thoroughly. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this blue mascara. It's from L'Oreal Paris. And I'm just going to, hold on, can't open it. So all I do is make sure it's nice and wet, nice and covered. And I'm going to brush through my eyebrow hairs and just color my eyebrows blue with them. Because if you don't know, Circus Baby has blue eyebrows. So this is one of these cosplays where I don't need, well, I shouldn't be matching my eyebrow color with my wig. And all done. Time for the eyeshadow. So first I'm going to use, hold on. So I'm going to use the Beauty Glazed Color Fusion eyeshadow palette. It is also called Over the Rainbow. And I'm going to take this medium blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And because I have hooded eyes, I'm gonna apply it with my eyes open. This is the first time I've used this. Okay, repeat on the other side. Next, I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go with this medium blue, but it's a little more teal. I'm gonna take my finger and I'm going to just pack that onto my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this glittery color and again put it over my eyelids. Let me get a little closer for you. And if that's not glittery enough for you, I guess what I could do is try to add a highlighter to really intensify the glittery parts of the eyeshadow. Yeah, I can't see anything. Hold on. Let me try to use this highlighter here and see if it makes any difference. Oh, yes, that is exactly what I'm looking for. If you're wondering what happened to it today, I dropped it, and this eyeshadow I'm using broke into pieces. Oh yes, that is exactly what I'm looking for. To finish off the eye makeup, the eyeshadow anyway, I'm going to go back with this teal blue, and I'm going to put that under my eyes. I'm going to try to draw it a certain way. My reborns are watching The Grinch Stole Christmas while I'm doing my makeup, in case you're wondering what's going on, why is there a TV playing. Okay, something like that. You want to make it look like a winged eyeliner. You see what I just did? I'm going to put white in my waterline so it matches my face paint. Liquid eyeliner tried out, and I haven't been able to buy another one, so all I'm gonna do with my eyeliner, this is a lot difficult than I remember it, but all I'm gonna do is draw a straight line. Let me get closer for you, and I'm just gonna tight line. I'm really trying. It's a lot more difficult than it looks. I just curled my eyelashes off camera, and now I'm going to use my Better Than Sex mascara and add mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Let me get a little closer for you. If you want to use eyelashes, go right ahead, but I'm going to try to see how the makeup looks without any eyelashes. Time for the actual animatronic makeup. So I'm looking at a picture of Circus Baby right now on my iPad, and you know, it's a lot easier to just use an eyeliner pencil than liquid eyeliner. I'm drawing very carefully. Hold on. Trying not to take up too much of the time limit on my TikTok video. I think I also have to draw here. Damn it. That's bound to happen a lot. Good thing I can twist this eyeliner and stuff. Oh. Everything's fine. I just knocked a couple of things down because I'm leaning my iPad on my makeup table. That's sort of like a makeup table. Oh crap, I made that uneven. Damn it. I'm just looking more at it. I'm almost out of time. Okay, is that all? I think I have to put smile lines here. This is surprisingly easy. The eyeliner pencil. Okay, that's uneven. I'll compensate for it. Instead of lipstick, I'm going to use this lip liner crayon. And finally, I'm going to draw where my clown nose is going to be. I'm going to fill in, maybe I should use lipstick, but I'm going to use this as like a lip liner, like before I actually fill it in and make everything look perfect. So yeah, okay, time for the lipstick. Okay. I know I should just use face paint. I don't have any red face paint. It broke into pieces after having it for like 4 years, maybe 5 years. So all I can do is use my lipstick as my face paint. Sorry, not sorry. Hold on, I'm almost out of time. This is optional, but yeah, as long as it's done right, it can look great. This is bad. This side here. First reaction of seeing my makeup on in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Wow. Now remember, I haven't cosplayed Circus Baby in 2 years. And I was heavy. I weighed 220 pounds, and now, wow.